In this video, we are going to fix acquiring license Microsoft Store error. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. How we can do that, you need to navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. At the settings window, you need to navigate to the left pane, find for an option which is the privacy and security. And from here, if you find troubleshoot for Windows Store apps here, you can go with that. Or if you have, I mean, if you are having a hard time on finding such, you can simply use the search bar here, type for Windows Store, then go with the result, find and fix problems with Windows Store apps, click on it. And in a few moments, you would be able to open this Windows Store apps, click on next so that you can run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. So if this Microsoft Store is not working, try to run the troubleshooter and this will help you to diagnose the problem. Once you are done with the step, try to check if the error has been fixed. However, if not, then I want you to proceed to the next solution, and that is to check the date and time if it is being set automatically. So by that, navigate at your taskbar, go with your time and date, make a right click and go with adjust date and time. Here you need to navigate to the switch, turn it on, set time is on automatically as well as set time automatically. Once done, try to check if the error has been resolved. Okay? However, if the error still persists, then I want you to navigate to the third and last solution, and that is to disable antivirus. Okay, so try to disable the antivirus, and once you have disabled it, I want you to check if the error has been resolved. Okay, might as well navigate to the search box and do the SFC scan once the moment you have disabled your antivirus or the moment you have installed it. Type for CMD here again. And once you have seen the best match, which is the command prompt system, please navigate to the right side and run it as an administrator. So please copy and paste the commands that I have given at the YouTube description. First is the SFC scan now. Copy and paste it here. And then once you are done with the scanning of the system, you need to close the window and then open the command prompt again. Okay. And then this time you need to paste this one to re-register the Microsoft Store apps. Copy and paste it here. And then once you are done with all of this procedure, I want you to restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, try to check if the error has been resolved. Okay. Now, if you found this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.